In this training video, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to any promotion. So if you're going to promote a product from a network with digital products, it could be physical products. I'm just going to show you step by step how you can create a quick campaign, start driving some traffic to generate leads and potential sales into your account. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. We're going to go into Clickbank. We're going to use, for this video and for this purpose, we're going to use a network called Clickbank. Okay, so we're going to use Clickbank for this purpose. We're going to choose a product, and it's going to be a digital product, and then I'm going to quickly show you step by step how you can drive traffic to this product by creating a campaign using one of the traffic network which has been launched a couple of months ago, and you can create a quick campaign and start getting traffic. So let's dive into this video. I'm into the Clickbank marketplace, okay, right now. So I'm here. I'm going to go to the affiliate marketplace here, and then from here you can choose different type of products down here. They have thousands of products. If you just come to all, you could see the categories, subcategories. So they have betting system, business, investment, computer, internet, e-business, e-marketing, jobs, green products, etc. Whichever one you're interested in, you just want to choose that product. I normally go into e-business and e-marketing here. And when it comes to choosing a product, one of the biggest mistake that people make is they look at the commission. So this one is paying up to $47.69 in commissions, which is okay, which is good, but that's not the main base that you when it comes to choosing a product. What you want to look for is the gravity here. This is the main part. Okay, now Clickbank does allow you to actually, it does explain everything when you hover your mouse. Okay, so it becomes very easy for you to find a good product. Now, whenever you're finding a product, just make sure you check the sales page out as well, because this is very, very important. If you don't do that, you can end up losing your traffic. So you can see here, this is a sales page down here, but on this sales page, it doesn't actually, okay, it doesn't actually tell you what, it doesn't give you a video. Okay, now I'm not a big fan of sending traffic to a page which doesn't have a sales video. Okay, so I don't know why they don't have a sales video here, because the product looks, affiliate wise, new, equal for 2025 and beyond. Okay, I just don't understand why they don't have a sales video, but it does down here give an overview what's the members area going to look like. So you can see here your commission stream, traffic and sales getting paid, house traffic pool, cash paid builder. Okay, all right, not bad. Okay, it is attractive, but like I said, I'm a big fan of a sales feed here. So you want to look at the product itself, making sure it's still available, because sometimes you might find a product down here that's available down here, okay, but when you start driving traffic down here, it will say, sorry, the doors have been closed, something like that. So you're going to lose traffic. So make sure you check the sales page. Now for this purpose, I'm just going to promote one of the products that I love to promote. So I'm just going to type in Instagram here, and I'm going to choose this product here. Down here it says here about Instagram account. Okay, it's a product that teaches you how to build a real solid income business using Instagram. So let's just check the sales page, making sure that it's still available. Okay, so yes, it is still available. I could see here this product is still available. Down here you can see you could get the entire product, the system down here. It's got everything, so it's looking good and great. Okay, all right, so I'm going to promote this product for this purpose. All right, it's all about Instagram, how to become an Instagram expert. So for this purpose, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your affiliate link. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. So affiliate link is ready. Now we're going to head over to the traffic network, and we are going to start buying some traffic. Okay, so the traffic network that we are talking about is this traffic here. Now this is only invitation, so you can't get on this traffic network unless you are invited to get on this traffic. Okay, so if you are interested in joining this traffic network, okay, here's the link popping up on the screen. You can just pause the video, okay, and just open up a new browser and go to this website address, and you will able to join this traffic network. Okay, once you have joined the traffic network, and I'm going to walk you through how to create a quick campaign. So let's get into this. Click on add new campaign. I'm just going to put Insta Moneymaker. Okay, I'm going to put my affiliate link here. Now I recommend building a list, okay, using a landing page. But for this demonstration purpose, I'm just going to show you step by step how this works and how you can do direct linking. Make money online, weight loss health is make money online. Traffic providers, I'm just going to choose one, okay. When you're getting started, just choose one, and then you want to, that's how you're going to test different people. Let's just do this person here. Okay, I think this guy is the owner of this traffic network. Countries, okay, I'm going to put English tier 1 countries. That means English speaking countries, because that's where the buyers are most of the times. Device types, I'm going to, now when you come to Clickbank and when you're choosing an offer, okay, just make sure that the offer is mobile friendly, okay. If the offer is not mobile friendly, then you might want to select desktop traffic. Now in this case, this offer is mobile friendly, so it's okay for me to leave it as it is. But if you, in your case, if you're choosing a product that's not mobile friendly, then you're just going to select desktop, okay. But I'm just going to get rid of this for now. Traffic types, this is very important. A lot of people just skip this. You can see here they have different type of traffic: engage clicks, Facebook funnel clicks, okay, media buys, notification clicks, TikTok bio clicks, and they have so many types of traffic. If I type in TikTok bio click, let's just see what happens here. Okay, 0 clicks available. You could see here it's not available TikTok because this person has a list, so we're just going to do email clicks. Okay, so we can see as we selected email clicks, 858 clicks available per day, and minimum 22 cents. Okay, not bad. Let's just do 30 cents for this purpose. Okay. Alright, 30 cents. Total budget, I'm just going to put $100. Daily budget, I'm going to leave it to $10 so it can distribute and it can just basically, I can test and see if it's working. If it's not working, then I could like pause the campaign and switch. Then you have two options here. Now, if you know what you're doing, you know exactly which offer you're promoting is going to convert the traffic guy, everything, and you want to scale it to the next level, then you might want to do accelerated. Traffic comes in fast, you got your results, you buy traffic again, and that's how you keep on scaling. But if you're just getting started for the first time, then you just want to stick to smooth down here, so the traffic is coming in slowly. You have enough time to test, tweak, optimize, change your landing page or change your offer, do a lot of things in the background, so you get the best possible results from very minimum traffic and a very tight budget. Okay, so I highly recommend as a starter you start off with smooth. Then after that, you just want to click on active and click on save campaign. Once you have clicked on save campaign, you want to scroll back up. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to come here and add funds. Okay, until you don't add funds, you can't run traffic. Remember, this is a paid traffic. Okay, so with paid traffic, you need to add some funds, and once you have added some funds, your traffic will start immediately, and you're going to start seeing the clicks, cost per click, cost, bid, etc. And then you could just go into your account and just check your results. So that's how simple it is to create a quick campaign promoting someone else's product, and this method works with any network. Clickbank, Worry Plus, you could choose any product to promote and you could start getting traffic within minutes.